Easy manual. These are 5 expensive mods that I can't afford. Okay, so let's do it. Okay guys, this is the list of my 5 expensive mods that I can't afford because they are expensive. But some of them I'm planning of getting them for my car, but these are expensive. Okay, so the first one, 3-piece wheels. All right, those are the most beautiful things that are made. The 3-piece wheels, they come in different colors. You can get it like a polish with the lug nuts, and they look beautiful. Okay, and the good thing about these wheels, they are in 3 pieces, and if you bend one lip or something, you can replace only the lip or any of the lips, and you don't have to replace the whole wheel. That is amazing for this wheel. These are beautiful and they look super cool on the cars. When you put the car is lower with those wheels, they look beautiful. All right, but the problem, they are around $3,000 to $5,000 and sometimes $6,000 depending on the brand of the wheels. But the cool things about this one, you can get any offset that you want on the car and the bolt pattern, and they have multiple styles for these wheels. They have a lot of brands, but these ain't cheap. Okay, cheap wheels. I wish I could get one of those. Hope I will get one of those for my car in the future. All right, so that's the first expensive mod. The second one. Everybody wants me to do this one. The first one is a turbocharger or a supercharge. Okay, that is amazing. I don't know if you have seen the Hellcat. The sound when they step on the gas is beautiful and gives a lot of power to the car. But the problem is the price. It's the cheapest one is around $3,000, and you get like $5,000 more for the installation. So that is super expensive for me, and I can't afford that one. Especially if you are planning in selling your car, maybe in the future you don't want to blow the engine. Okay, so that's the second expensive modification: turbocharge or a supercharge. Okay. The third one is a full body kit. A body kit that's already made for a car. There are some cool body kits out there, especially I don't know if you saw the TJ Hunt Supra. Oof, it looks beautiful, looks amazing. But those are around $8,000. Okay, the cool ones, the white body kit. And the cheapest one I have seen is around $1,000, but it's still expensive. $1,000, especially if you're married and you have kids. $1,000 is hard to spend. And the fourth one, this one, I love it, but it's expensive, man. Oh man, the air suspension. Air suspension is around $3,000, between that or $5,000. And if someone is going to install it for you, plus $1,000 more than that. So it's around $5,000 with the installation. So that is hard. Something super cool that you can do to your car. If you are in the street and you see a bump, you can raise your car or lower your car if you want the car to look cool. That is what I want for my car. But man, it's a lot of money to spend. But I will do it. Okay, in the future. Not right now. In the future, I will do it. You will see it in the channel. Okay? And the fifth one, this one is the custom interior leather for the seats and probably the doors. Man, that modification, it changed totally the interior of your car with the leather. It looks great. You can put like different colors and different stitching patterns. Man, you can make your car look more expensive, but that one is around $1,000 to $10,000 depending on the leather that you're putting on your car. Oof. Man, that is expensive. There are a lot of companies that makes the sleeves that you can remove just your covers and put the new ones, but it's still expensive. It's around $1,000 or more. So that's the fifth modification, expensive modification that I can't afford. I'm gonna add a bonus, the number 6. Okay, this one I already did it, and that is a full wrap for your car. If you do a full wrap, it changes totally the look of your car. It will look more amazing, and the color, but just the material is around $1,000. Well, if you get good quality material, but if you get cheap material, don't get cheap material, okay? That's the first recommendation. Don't get cheap material. Get a good quality material like 3M or Avery, and if you pay somebody to install it for you, it's around $1,000 to $2,000 just for the installation. So that is expensive, but that one I already did it on my car. You can see it. I'm gonna put it on the video, but that one is expensive, okay? But I think it's worth it. All of the modifications I just told you, they are worth it. But if you have the money, you can do it. But if you don't, man, we can still dream. Okay, so let me know which modification, if I don't have it on the list, is expensive and you wish to do it to your car. Put it on the comments. Okay, if you like the video, please like the video, share it to your friends. Okay, so help us grow the channel, and subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.